for me and you. Let's make a pizza for me and you. There are so many different ingredients we can use. First we'll take the flour and toss it on the dough. Spread it around. That's flour. Then we'll take the dough and put it on the tray. Flatten it out. Dough. Then we'll take the sauce and pour it on the dough. Spread it around. Sauce. Oh no, where is the cheese? Oh no, where is the cheese? Do you see the cheese? Do you see the cheese? Then we'll take the cheese and grate it in a bowl. Spread it around. Cheese. Then you take your pick of toppings at the end. Well, my favorite one, pepperoni. Then we'll take the pie. Be careful with the tray. Then give it to your mommy or daddy to put in the oven and wait for it to bake. Let's make a pizza for me and you. Let's make a pizza for me and you. There are so many different ingredients we can use. Hey Mooseclumps fan club, thank you so much for supporting our channel. You guys made this video possible and we can't tell you how much we appreciate it. You are the best. To all of our other viewers, if you would like to become an official member of the Mooseclumps fan club, head over to mooseclumps.com/fan club, where you can sign up today and help us make more videos. You can also support our channel by checking out our merch store at mooseclumps.com. We've got tons of t-shirts, stickers, signed posters, and lots of downloadable Mooseclumps content. Thanks for watching.